Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Avid Media Composer, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Avid Media Composer, first, ensure you have a valid Avid account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Avid website. Log in to your Avid account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the section for Avid Media Composer under your products. If you don't have a license yet, purchase one through the Avid store. Download the Avid Link application from the website. Install Avid Link by following the on-screen instructions. Launch the Avid Link application after installation. Sign in with your Avid account within the Avid Link app. After signing in, locate the Media Composer icon in Avid Link. Click on the Media Composer icon to initiate the installation process. Follow the prompts to download and install Avid Media Composer. Once the installation is complete, open Avid Media Composer. You may be prompted to authenticate your software upon launch. Select the required authentication method, either through a subscription or a perpetual license. If using a subscription, ensure your subscription is active. For a perpetual license, enter the license information as prompted. If you experience any issues, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Verify that your Avid account is properly set up with the necessary licenses. Once authentication is successful, you will gain access to the full features of Avid Media Composer. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the tools and options available. You are now ready to start editing your projects in Avid Media Composer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.